myself, eyes down low. Take my mind to...
Hey guys, I got some pink LEDs about a few months ago. It's been a while, and I just left them sitting in the corner and never really tried anything with them. So tonight I got bored and tried to put them in, like, swapped them with the LEDs on the power button board, whatever you call this, and it's pretty cool. And I thought I might start selling these if you guys would like, for like $10 or $15, and I'll have different colors. This is the pink one. Looks purple, but it's pink, and it's pretty cool. It's not very easy to do because it's not going to focus, I don't think. No, it's not going to focus, but this is my phone, and not the best camera, but it's good enough. But the LEDs on there are extremely small, and it's really hard to place them in the right, just put them on the right spot and soldering and stuff. So I'm just making this video just to tell you guys that I'm going to start selling these, and I have a few Xboxes available, a few Slims. There's my JTAG, and not Slims, but there's my JTAG, and there is a flash Xbox that's ready to be sold. And I have been saying I'm going to be doing RGHs, but I took my Slim apart and extracted the NAND and everything, and found out that you can't RGH the Slim on the newer dashboard yet. So I have to wait till somebody releases a way to do that, and then I'll start selling RGHs, because that's pretty cool. And JTAGs are pretty fun. So leave a rate if you would like, and subscribe if you're not. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, I should say. And I'll see you guys later.